In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix the IE error code on your LG washer. This error means your washer isn't filling with water properly, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. First, have you checked the inlet hoses? A kinked or damaged hose can prevent water from flowing. If you find any kinks, straighten them out. If the hoses are damaged, they'll need to be replaced. Next, are your water taps fully open? And if they're only partially turned on, your washer might not be getting enough water, causing the error. Open them all the way to ensure proper water flow. If it's cold outside, could the water supply lines be frozen? If so, you'll need to wait for them to thaw before the water starts flowing again. Another common issue is clogged inlet filters. Have you ever cleaned them? Over time, debris can build up and restrict water flow. To clean them, turn off the water supply, unplug the washer, disconnect the hoses, and remove the filters using pliers. Then rinse them under running water with a toothbrush to clear out any buildup before reinstalling. Finally, is your drain hose positioned correctly? If it's inserted too deep into the drain pipe, more than 4 inches, it can create a siphoning effect, preventing proper filling. Adjust it if necessary. If you've tried all these steps and the error still appears, your washer may need professional service.